Hello everyone. Today I'm going to speak to you about an announcement that the FDA made on the 8th of May 2025. So basically it's 2 months ago, and just my reaction and thoughts about this announcement. So this announcement is regarding the implementation of ELSA and the use of AI tools in the review process of the FDA. So the news or announcement says that FDA announces completion of first AI-assisted scientific review pilot and aggressive agency-wide AI rollout timeline. With that in mind, there is a couple of quotes here. So the first quote here from the FDA commissioner says, "I was blown away by the success of our first AI assistant scientific review pilot. We need to value our scientific time and reduce the amount of non-productive busy work that has historically consumed much of the review process. The agency-wide deployment of these capabilities holds tremendous promise in accelerating the review time for new therapies." And then the second quote here in the announcement by the Deputy Director of the Office of New Drugs in CDER, it's quote, "This is a game changer technology that has enabled me to perform scientific review tasks in minutes that used to take 3 days." So that's great, obviously. So my thoughts here are a couple of things. One related to how this is expected to impact our submissions and the process and the expectations of the review process. And the second is related to the AI general outlook and reluctance from some of the folks about the use of AI, not only related to this, but also to generate material. So going to the FDA submission review timeline, I think this is a great news and welcome, obviously, because we always thought, that some of the processes take really longer than what we like, longer time than what we like, and there is a backlog, right? And then that's always factored in the submission. So in the regulatory affairs, we submit an application, and then we know that there is an expectation of certain time that will pass because due to the backlog and the FDA shortage of personnel or time, etc. So hopefully this is a great tool to be used and will speed up this process. Definitely, I am sure we will all be happy if the process is faster. The second part is, are they going to use it really to its potential? So there is an acknowledgement I see here in the announcement of some of the challenges. One of them is the bias of the AI tool because it's getting its information from available input and also from the algorithmic biases. So they are aware of that, and they are working on implementing a solution to mitigate this risk. And that's a very important aspect of it. The second is my thoughts regarding the use of AI and the folks who are reluctant, especially that they are worried or fearful from losing their roles or the significance of their input because the AI is here. And this is, my opinion, is as if now we still need the human input because the AI is as good as the input, the prompt. So if you, just to give an example outside our industry, if you are interested in making a presentation, so you might use a tool like a PowerPoint or a Canva, and these tools are there always for a long time. They were there, but still you have to have something to say, and you have to have a good idea about what you want as an outcome of your presentation. So If you are unable to use the tool is deemed irrelevant, right? So that you need to have the scientific basis or the experience that will allow you to have a good input, and therefore to have also a vision of what you are looking for. And that's what we call the prompt for the AI. And that's basically if somebody knows what they're talking about, have experience, have a scientific background and basis, and then they try to use the AI, that will probably bring them better results than somebody without all of these skills and experiences. So it's a tool, and it's as good as the expertise and the experience and the vision of the person who uses it. Hopefully that will help and ease the fear. And if you haven't been here before, this is Tamer Helmi with Quality Vigilance. I would like to hear your thoughts and your comments. Please let me know. And I look forward to seeing you here really soon.